Hello, our art friend. Today in Kitty Kanjo, we are going to learn how to draw Duggee. So let's start drawing. First, draw half a circle for the top of the head. Make a letter C on the left side. And a smear image on the other for the cheek. Draw a small vertical line coming down from each side. Draw a circle for the nose. Then draw the top of a heart shape for the eyes. Draw 2 circles inside for the pupils and color them. Draw a horizontal line on each side of the nose. Then draw half a circle under it. Draw a smaller horizontal line under the nose and another smaller half circle under to finish the smiley mouth. Then draw the tongue inside. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. On the left side of the body, draw 2 diagonal lines for the arm. Close them at the top, then draw a curved zigzag line for the paw. Draw the other arm similarly. Draw a curved line coming down from each arm. Leaving a space in the middle at the bottom to draw the legs next. Draw 2 vertical lines coming down from the left side for the leg, then close them at the bottom. And draw a curved zigzag line for the paw. Draw the other leg similarly. Then connect the 2 legs with a horizontal line in the middle. Draw a long horizontal line across the bottom part of the body for the pants. Draw another long horizontal line across the body at the arms level. Then another similar line over for the shirt's collar. Draw a square in the middle to start making the tie. Draw 2 vertical lines coming down from it till the middle of the body. Then draw a letter V at the bottom to finish the tie. To make the badges, on the right side of the tie, draw 2 circles, one inside the other. And repeat this step to make another badge under it. On the left side of the tie, draw a triangular shape for the badge and another smaller triangle inside. Under it, draw a diamond shape and another smaller diamond inside. Duggee hug! Now you can draw Duggee. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.